Today, we're diving into something that's becoming, well, absolutely essential. It's the art of the ask. We're going to break down how to write way better AI prompts so you can get exactly what you need every single time. Okay, let's be honest. Have you ever asked an AI something and gotten a totally useless, generic, or just wrong answer back? Yeah, we've all been there. It's a universal frustration for sure.
But here's the thing, the secret, really. More often than not, the problem isn't the AI. It's us. It's the ask. You see, the quality of the answer you get is a direct reflection of the quality of your question. So today, we're going to fix the ask.
All right, first up, let's look at a few techniques that are all about showing, not just telling. I want you to think of it like we're climbing a ladder, where every single step up gives us a smarter way to give instructions.
So here are the 3 rungs on our ladder. We'll start with the most basic, the direct ask, that's also called 0 shot. Then we'll move up to giving a 1-shot hint. And finally, we'll get to the really powerful stuff, the few shot pattern. Let's break them down. Okay, first rung, 0 shot prompting. This is the simplest one. In fact, it's probably what you're already doing. You just ask the AI a question directly, you don't give it any examples. That's why it's called 0 shot. And you know what? It's great for simple, clear-cut tasks. For instance, asking an AI to classify a movie review like this one is a perfect use case. The task is super clear. The AI already gets what positive, negative, and neutral mean. It doesn't need any coaching from you. All right, let's climb up to that next rung, 1-shot prompting. Now, this is where you give the AI just a single example. The goal here isn't to teach it something brand new, but to show it the exact format you want the answer to be in. Look at how this works with translation. By giving it one perfect example, we're not just saying, translate this. No, we're showing it the pattern. English, phrase, then French, translation. The AI sees that and just mimics the format for our new request. Simple, but so effective.
And here we are at the top of our ladder, few shot prompting. Okay, this is where things get really, really powerful. You're going to provide several examples, maybe 3 to 5 is the sweet spot, to teach the AI a really complex pattern or a tricky task it wouldn't get otherwise.
Just look at this. This is a great example of its power. We're asking the AI to do something pretty complicated, right? Take messy, unstructured feedback and turn it into clean, structured JSON data. By just showing it a couple of examples, the AI figures out the pattern and can apply it to brand new feedback. It's pretty amazing. So to really nail this technique, just keep a few things in mind. Use a handful of examples, make sure they're high quality and diverse, and if you're classifying stuff, mix up the categories you show it so it gets the whole picture. Okay, so we've climbed the example ladder. Now let's get into our next set of tools. For these, I want you to stop thinking like a user and start thinking like a director. You're going to guide the AI's performance to get exactly the result you want. First off, let's clear something up, because these 2 ideas are powerful, but people mix them up all the time. Role prompting is about giving the AI a persona. Who should it be? Contextual prompting is about giving it information. What does it need to know? Think of it this way. One is the character, the other is the script. So let's dive into role prompting. This is exactly like casting an actor for a part. You tell the AI, act as a seasoned software architect, or you're a friendly travel guide, or even you're a Shakespearean poet. That one instruction completely changes its tone, its style, and even the kind of knowledge it pulls from. And a simple instruction like this makes a world of difference. Instead of just some generic answer about building a website, telling it to be an experienced software architect cues it to give you a detailed, expert-level response. It'll start talking about things like scalability, architecture patterns, and best practices. Okay, now for contextual prompting. If role-playing is the actor, context is the scene. Here, you're giving the AI the crucial background info it needs to do its job right. You're basically setting the stage for it. For example, just asking the AI to explain an API is way too broad. Who knows what you'll get? But by giving it context, hey, you're writing for a tech blog for total beginners, you're telling it exactly what to do. Avoid jargon, use simple analogies, keep it short. That context totally shapes the final output. And finally, let's talk about the ultimate director's tool, the system prompt. Think of this as a top-level instruction that defines the AI's core job and the rules of engagement for your entire conversation. It's like you're writing its job description before you even start talking. A system prompt like this, for instance, creates a super reliable persona. Now, no matter what destination you ask about, the AI will always give you the info in this exact structured way. Why? Because you set the rules of the game right at the start.
Whew! So we've covered a ton of ground, right? From simple asks all the way to directing a full-blown performance. Let's pull it all together into a quick toolkit so you can start having way better AI conversations, like right now.
And here it is, your cheat sheet. Zero shot, that's your simple, direct ask. One shot and few shot, that's when you need to show it a format or a pattern. System prompts set the rules for the whole chat. Role prompts give the AI a personality. And contextual prompts, that's the script for one specific task. Got it?
Look, if you remember just one thing from all of this, let it be this. The power to get brilliant, useful, amazing answers from AI, it's already in your hands. It all comes down to the quality of your question. And that leaves us with one last thing to chew on. As these AI tools get woven into everything we do, is learning how to talk to them, how to communicate effectively, becoming the next essential human skill? Something to think about. Thanks for tuning in.